18 months ago, I fired my virtual assistant. Not because she did a bad job, she was actually amazing. I fired her because 5 AI tools did everything she did, for less than $30 a month combined. Her salary? $4,200 every single month. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly which 5 tools replaced her, how I use them daily, and how you can set up the same system, starting today, for free. 18 months ago, I fired my virtual assistant. Not because she did a bad job, she was actually amazing. I fired her because 5 AI tools did everything she did, for less than $30 a month combined. Her salary? $4,200 every single month. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly which 5 tools replaced her, how I use them daily, and how you can set up the same system, starting today, for free. Tool number 1, Claude by Anthropic. And yes, I know everyone talks about ChatGPT, but hear me out. Claude is what I use for anything that requires actual thinking. Email drafts, client proposals, research summaries, even legal document reviews. The reason I switched from ChatGPT is simple. Claude gives me longer, more structured responses, and it's dramatically better at following complex instructions. Here's a real example. Every Monday, my assistant used to spend 2 hours preparing a competitive analysis report for my clients. Now, I give Claude this prompt. Act as a business analyst. Research the top 3 competitors of my client and create a structured report covering pricing, strengths, weaknesses, and one opportunity my client can exploit immediately. 30 seconds later. Full report. What took 2 hours now takes 30 seconds. Free plan. Available. Paid plan starts at $20 a month if you need more usage. For most people, the free plan is more than enough to start. Tool number 2, Otter.ai. This one is specifically for meetings, and if you're on calls all day, this is going to change your life. Otter joins your Zoom, Google Meet, or Teams calls automatically. It records, transcribes in real time, and here's the part I love. It generates a summary with action items at the end of every call. My assistant's job used to be sitting in on client calls, taking notes, then sending a summary email afterward. That was easily an hour of work per meeting. Otter does it in 0 minutes, completely automatic. Free plan gives you 300 transcription minutes per month. That's plenty for most people starting out. Tool number 3, Notion AI. Now, Notion itself is a project management tool. Think of it as your second brain. But the AI layer on top is what makes it a virtual assistant replacement. I use Notion AI for 3 specific things. First, it automatically organizes my task list by priority. Second, it writes first drafts of any document I need. SOPs, client onboarding guides, meeting agendas. Third, I can ask it questions about my own notes. Imagine asking, what did I decide about the Johnson project last Tuesday? And getting an instant answer pulled from your own notes. That's Notion AI. It's built into Notion at $10 per month, or you can use the free Notion plan with limited AI credits. Tool number 4, Canva AI, specifically the Magic Design and Magic Write features. My assistant used to handle all my client-facing visuals, presentation decks, social media graphics, proposal covers. I'm not a designer. She was. But Canva AI changed that. Here's my exact workflow. I type a 1-sentence description. For example, create a professional pitch deck for a social media marketing agency targeting restaurants. Canva AI generates a full designed presentation in under 60 seconds. I then tweak the colors and text. Done. The free Canva plan includes limited AI features. Canva Pro at $15 a month unlocks everything. Honestly, even the free version covers 80% of what I need. Tool number 5, And this is the one that ties everything together. Make.com, previously called Integromat. If the first 4 tools are the workers, Make.com is the manager that tells them what to do and when. Here's a real automation I have running right now. When a new lead fills out my contact form, Make automatically pulls their information, sends it to Claude to write a personalized outreach email, adds the lead to my Notion CRM, and sends me a Slack notification. All of that with 0 clicks from me. Free plan. 1,000 operations per month. That's enough for a small business with 10 to 20 automations running. So let me give you the real numbers after 18 months of running this system. Monthly cost before? $4,200 for my assistant, plus software subscriptions. Roughly $4,400 total. Monthly cost now? Claude free plan, Otter free plan, Notion $10, Canva Pro $15, Make free plan. Total, $25 a month, sometimes less. Time saved. I get back approximately 15 hours per week that I now put into actually growing my business. Revenue impact. Because I'm spending less time on admin and more time on client work and content, my revenue increased by 60% in the first 6 months. I'm not telling you this to brag. I'm telling you this because every single one of these tools has a free plan. You can start today with $0 and see results within the first week. All right, let's wrap up. 5 tools, 5 problems solved. Starting cost, $0. Claude for writing and thinking. Otter.ai for meetings. Notion AI for organization. Canva AI for design. Make.com for automation. Here's your action plan for this week. Pick just one tool from this list, whichever problem frustrates you the most right now, and spend 30 minutes setting it up. Just one. Don't try to do all 5 at once. If this video saved you time or gave you one good idea, hit the like button. It genuinely helps this channel grow so I can keep making content like this. Subscribe if you want to see the next video in this series, where I'll show you how to use Make.com to build a fully automated content creation pipeline. See you in the next one.